Good morning. Today I, Ishita Singla of Kendriya Vidyalaya Ahmedabad Kent of class 12C.
I, Sakshi Narwal of class 12C is going to present a quiz under the activity of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. So let's begin. Who was the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh? छत्तीसगढ़ के प्रथम मुख्यमंत्री कौन है?
The answer for this question is Chhattisgarh's first Chief Minister was Mr. Ajit Jogi. छत्तीसगढ़ के पहले मुख्यमंत्री अजीत जोगी थे.
What is the literacy rate of छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ की साक्षरता दर क्या है?
The answer for this question is the literacy rate of Chhattisgarh is 70%. छत्तीसगढ़ की साक्षरता दर 70% है.
From which state छत्तीसगढ़ is separated? छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य किस राज्य से अलग हुआ है?
The answer for this question is Chhattisgarh was separated from Madhya Pradesh. छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य मध्य प्रदेश से अलग हुआ था.
What is the capital of छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ की राजधानी क्या है?
The answer for this question is the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. छत्तीसगढ़ की राजधानी रायपुर है.
What is the percentage of forest land in छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ में वन भूमि का प्रतिशत कितना है?
The answer for this question is the percentage of forested land in Chhattisgarh is 44%. छत्तीसगढ़ की वन भूमि 44% है.
How many districts are there in छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ में कितने जिले हैं?
The answer for this question is in Chhattisgarh there are 28 districts. छत्तीसगढ़ में 28 जिले मौजूद हैं.
Which river is known as गंगा of छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ की गंगा किस नदी को कहा जाता है?
The answer for this question is Mahanadi is also known as the Ganga of Chhattisgarh. महानदी को छत्तीसगढ़ की गंगा भी कहा जाता है.
What is the population of छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ की आबादी कितनी है?
The answer for this question is the population of Chhattisgarh is 3.22 करोड़. छत्तीसगढ़ की आबादी 3 करोड़ 22 लाख है.
Which is the state tree of छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ का राज्य पेड़ कौन सा है?
The answer for this question is the Sal tree is known as the state tree of Chhattisgarh. छत्तीसगढ़ का राज्य पेड़ साल है.
What is the area of छत्तीसगढ़? छत्तीसगढ़ क्षेत्र कितने किलोमीटर वर्ग में फैला हुआ है?
The answer for this question is the area of Chhattisgarh is 1,35,192 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. छत्तीसगढ़ का क्षेत्र 192 किलोमीटर वर्ग है. So now the quiz ends here and we hope that you all were able to know many interesting facts about Chhattisgarh. Thank you.